friends, I am your friend Takshil Yadav, and today we are going to know how we assemble a solar kit. You can see these are the different components of a solar kit. These are the physical components. The components are divided into two parts, the physical and the technical. These are the physical components, while these are the technical components. Let's start. This, as I told you, these are the physical components. This is the base bottom where we assemble the battery and the PCB. This is the base top, which is used to protect the battery and the PCB and the other wires. This is the LED. This is the LED base. Here the LED light comes. This is the dust proof cap that protects the cap from getting any dust on it. This is the LED reflector or light reflector. This reflects the light coming from the LED. And at last, this is the LED face. Now what about this? This is the gooseneck. It is very flexible, so it is used in here. Now what about this? This is the solar panel. As you can see, yes, its wire is about 2.5 to 3 meters long. You can see I have coiled it around, but when I'll open it, it will be very long. And it is connected with the battery, with the PCB, so that the battery gets charged when it is discharged. This is the PCB, which will be attached in the base bottom. These are the screws, which will tight the PCB as well as the base bottom and the base top. This is the battery. This battery gives the charge to the LED bulb, LED light to give out light. This is the load wire. This load wire carries the load from the battery through the PCB, and at last it takes it through the goose wire to the LED light. And at last this is the LED light. So friends, thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel Takshil Yadav. Thank you.